Welcome to Unggul TV. I'm Muhammad Nabil Al-Wafa. I will accompany you from 10 to 30 minutes about election in Faculty of Tarbiyah and Keguruan. We'll go to Abdillah at the field in Faculty of Tarbiyah and Keguruan with Student Election Commission. To Abdillah.
Okay, now I'm gonna do an interview with the Student Election Commission. Let's go to it. Excuse me, I'm a reporter from Unggul TV. I'm gonna ask you two about the student election yesterday. Okay? Please tell me what is KPM FTK. Jadi tolong jelaskan kepada saya tentang apa itu KPM FTK.
Untuk KPM FTK itu adalah Komisi Pemilihan Mahasiswa, yang mana itu diselenggarakan per tahun sekali, yang mana itu untuk memilih kepemimpinan dari entah itu dari Dewan Eksekutif Mahasiswa, habis itu juga ada SEMA, Dewan Eksekutif Mahasiswa, dan juga Himpunan Mahasiswa Jurusan, yang mana itu kan untuk memilih ketua atau pemimpin-pemimpin yang selanjutnya.
So, how many candidates who nominate themselves as the chief of SEMA FTK and the chief of DEMA FTK and the chief of Student Association? Jadi bisa kalian sebutkan ada berapa yang mencalon sebagai anggota SEMA dari FTK dan ada berapa pasangan calon dari DEMA FTK dan ada berapa orang yang mencalon sebagai ketua HMJ dari masing-masing jurusan. Tolong sebutkan.
Jadi untuk DEMA FTK pasangan calonnya itu ada 2 pasangan. Kemudian dari anggota SEMA ada 2 juga. Untuk ketua jurusan ada 8 jurusan yang hanya 1 orang yang mendaftar sebagai calon. Kemudian ada 4 jurusan yang 2 pasangan calonnya. Jadi kalau semuanya ditotal dari SEMA, DEMA hingga HMJ maka totalnya ada 18 orang.
Okay, next question is there any problem about the student election yesterday? Jadi pertanyaan selanjutnya adalah apakah pada pemilihan mahasiswa kemarin itu ada kendala tentang atau masalah atau gimana itu bisa disebutkan?
Ya kalau masalah tuh kan pasti ada dan kendala-kendalanya. Jadi kendala tuh ada yang dari internal sendiri dan dari eksternal. Kalau untuk dari internal tuh biasa karena perbedaan pendapat. Mungkin seluruh kepanitiaan dan organisasi pasti akan terjadi nih yang namanya perbedaan pendapat. Kalau untuk eksternal tuh mungkin untuk orang-orang nih yang nggak ngerti tapi asal ngomong. Nah itu sih masalahnya kalau dari eksternal.
Okay, see. Thank you for the time. And excuse me to walk out. Terima kasih. Okay, I'm Abdillah. Go back to the Nabil.
Thank you, Abdillah, for the report. Now let's try to Al-Zikri Nurul Ramadhani at the field with students to interview about their views on election. Al-Zikri.
Alright, so we're from Unggul TV and we'd like to ask you some question about the student election yesterday.
Okay.
Alright, tell me what is your name?
My name is Hassan, and I'm from Martapura, and I'm from class English, the Education Department 21, Angkatan 21. Yeah.
So you're the new student here.
Yeah, so far I'm the new student in here.
So is this your first time participating in student election in this campus?
Yeah, this is the first time I participate, and I feel great. Wow, there's so many students in there. So cool.
So this new experience for you.
Yeah, new experience.
And what is your opinion about the student election yesterday?
My opinion, sangat bagus, partisipasinya sangat banyak, dan antusiasnya luar biasa. Mahasiswanya memilih dengan pilihan mereka sendiri, dan menurut saya itu sangat luar biasa sih. Yang terutama wajib diapresiasi bagaimana mahasiswanya benar-benar ikut partisipasi, benar-benar memilih. Ya menurut saya sangat luar biasa itu.
So you really appreciate the participation of the student in this campus to the election yesterday.
Yeah. I'm really appreciate it. That's so cool.
All right. Thank you so much for your for your time.
Okay, no problem.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
We're from Unggul TV, and we'd like to ask you some question about the student election yesterday.
All right.
And what's your name?
My name is Muhammad Tor Amin, and I am a student of English education.
Is this your first time participating in student election in this campus?
Even though I am an old student of this university, but this is my first time I participated the election. Because last year we did it online due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
What do you think about you participate in student election yesterday? What do you think about the security and the system?
My opinion regarding the election, the student election, is that the election was carried out very well. We have to stand in queue, and we are not allowed to bring smartphone to if we want to enter to the election building. This shows that the election was carried out strictly, so that it is highly unlikely that fraud will occur.
So we can say it's pretty safe in the election yesterday.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for answering our question. Thank you, sir. This is Al-Zikri from Unggul TV. Now let's go back to the studio.
Thank you, Al-Zikri, for the interview about students' views on election. And that was the news for today about elections on Faculty of Tarbiyah and Keguruan. Thank you. Have a nice day.